been amazing to work here with other people and to get this experience.
I've learned a lot. Being able to implement skills that I've been learning and get it done as quickly as possible has been awesome.
I mean, look at all the dessert. They're great, dude. They're great.
It's fun, it's eventful, and the people here are quite nice.
So far, the favorite thing I've eaten was the lobster rigatoni that was in the Italy area. So delicious, so creamy, so flavorful.
Being able to come here, work around, jump around, see how they like things done, it's good to know for the future. So if I do want to get a job here, I know how they want it and how they handle things.
This has been a really cool experience, and I'd love to do it again.